County in west central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over West Katanning, Katanning, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact,
tornado warning!
Dangerous to those caught without shelter.
What?
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and
Guys, I'm
vehicles
scared.
will
I thought it
occur.
was 4.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Indiana around 6:45 p.m. Other locations affected by this tornadic
Oh, we're not in it. We're not in it.
West Hills,
Yeah.
Lockton, Dixonville. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Take the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Oh, I'm so
If you are
scared.
outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.